How to add a pin it button to your browser so that whenever you're browsing the internet and you want to add interesting things that you find to Pinterest, you can do it really easily. So just to add the pin it button, you log into your Pinterest account and then you click on the little plus, and then essentially you try to get the pin it button. Click that. This takes you to the Pinterest page, which is where you can download all of the useful things. Just down here is the pin it button. So you just click install now, which is happening right now on my Mac. It's just there. And then essentially all you do is you can drag it onto your desktop. And then once you've dragged it onto your desktop, you basically then just pull it into your browser, and that's it. And it will ask whether or not you want to install, and you say yes, you want to install, and then the little pin will come up. So that's literally all there is to it. Super, super simple. So now I'm going to go to a store that has some beautiful pictures of things that I might want to pin to my Pinterest. That is gorgeous wallpaper. Just click on that. Click on the pin. Just click on the little pin it. And this little window will come up. It will tell you which board you want to pin it to. So I'm going to pin it to Stylish Homes because it's pretty stylish. Then you put the little description, and then you can also put in the Heels website. And then you just click pin it. And there you go. I mean, it is that simple. So it just means that when you're browsing the internet, it makes it super easy for you to just add stuff to your Pinterest as you're going along.